All right, this is week 11 words. The first word is candid. It's an adjective, which is a describing word. It means openly straightforward and direct without reserve or secretiveness. So when you speak candidly, it means that you're saying something very real and you're not trying to sugarcoat anything. The next word is docile. It's an adjective, so another describing word. It means easily handled or managed. So something that's pretty easy to take care of. The next word is team. This is a verb, which is an action word, which means to be full of things. It could be abound or swarmed. So it's a verb, means to be team. To be teamed means if you were full of something. The next word is spat. It is a noun, so it's a person, place, or thing, and it is a quarrel about petty points. So if two people had a spat over mask wearing, okay, so a spat is a quarrel. The next word is warble, and it is a verb, so it's an action word. It means to sing or play with trills, altering with the half note above or below. So it's when you're trying to sing and you're kind of changing your pitch and changing the way that you're singing. This word is mean. It is a noun. It is a person's look or manner indicating their character or mood. It doesn't mean that they're being mean. It's a different kind. That's M-E-A-N. This just means a person's look or manner. So they could have a positive mean, or I guess it could be negative as well. The next word is sate. It is a verb, which is an action word. It means to satisfy an appetite or desire fully. So to sate someone's desire for chocolate. The next word is patrician. It is a noun, which is a person, place, or thing, and it means belonging to or characteristic of nobility or aristocracy. Sorry, I always mess that word up. So basically it just means if you belong to nobility or if you are of higher class. This next word is constituency, and it means the body of voters who elect a representative for their area. So this is the body of voters, and it means like the people, the voters. The next word is parry. It's a verb, and it means to avoid or try to avoid fulfilling, answering, or performing duties, questions. Some of you are very good at parrying questions when asked in class, or sometimes you guys parry your parents when they are trying to find out if you're lying. And that is the last word. So these are the words for week 11. There are 10 of them. And you will go ahead and take your quiz on Friday on Illuminate.